Australia, which is 110% Australian owned. We're a manufacturing company, major inroads into the short run division, supplying corrugated packaging to the local market.
Our primary market is the short run business. We purchased the AOKE plotter machine so we could increase production time for short run manufacturing. We purchased the AOKE machine 4 years ago and found that it is more than capable of manufacturing all our production requirements. Sales and service support that we've received from Ebenezer has been excellent. Whenever we've required, we've always had someone come and help us whenever we've needed.
Before purchasing the AOKE table, we used to design and cut our samples by hand. Now that we have the sample table, we're able to supply our customers box and display designs for their products to